Hello everybody, it is day 16 of lockdown. Looking forward to going back to work. Which will hopefully be on the 3rd of December, if all goes well. So, I've just done my 22k on the cross trainer to help my friend Joe, just to raise awareness of his challenge. I'm not in any ways at all trying to better him, doing it. I'm just trying to get people to click the link below to find out that he is doing an amazing thing that's broke me after about 2 weeks. Right, today's topic is signalling at roundabouts. Now, this one pulls my hair out. Whenever I'm a really good passenger. When I'm not working, I completely switch off. But one thing I do notice, and I never really say anything, is that the people that moan about other people not indicating quite often don't indicate themselves. And therefore, I have a belief that a lot of people are supervising learners, and because they're not used to doing it themselves, they're not actually making sure the learner's doing it as well. So we're talking about literally signalling at roundabouts. So again, my favourite book, DVSA, Driving Essential Skills. They set the driving test. And basically it's a bit more of a user-friendly version of the Highway Code, whereas the Highway Code is just literally rules. This explains the rules and also gives reasons why. It's actually a better book. So if we're turning left, indicate left as you approach, approaching the left-hand lane. Keep to that lane on the roundabout, maintain the left turn signal throughout the roundabout. Straightforwards. Going ahead, no signal on approach is necessary. Approach in the left-hand lane. Left-hand lane, people. Already made a video about that one. If you can't use the left-hand lane because, for example, it's blocked, use the right lane next to it. Keep to that selected lane on the roundabout. Check your mirrors, especially the near side exterior mirror. I also say just take a glance because there's a blind spot. Indicate left after you've passed the exit before the one you want. That's only if you're changing lanes, by the way. If you're not changing lanes, you're already on the left mirror is fine. It's just if you're changing lanes, take a look. So indicate left after you've passed the exit before the one you want. Going right or full circle. Indicate right as you approach. Approaching the right-hand lane. Keep to that lane and maintain the signal on the roundabout. Check the mirrors, especially the near side exterior mirror. Little glance to the left. If that's safe, signal left after you have passed the middle of the exit before the one you want. So that's it. So it's really clear. People think, oh, I'm going straight ahead, I don't need to signal left to exit because I'm in the left lane, I'm going straight on. The thing is that if you were taking the second turning on the left off a main road, you would indicate after the middle of the first turning to give everybody warning. The signal doesn't really help the people behind, it's the people down the exit that you're going. So by not signalling, especially if you haven't positioned correctly, you cause people down that exit to stop, hesitate, because they're not sure, especially new drivers or people that aren't particularly competent drivers, and not everybody is. So just indicate to exit. And finally, many roundabouts, it says in the Highway Code and this book, approach these in the same way as a roundabout. Slow down and be prepared to give way to traffic from the right. Remember, however, there's less space to manoeuvre and less time to signal. For example, you may not have time to signal left when leaving. So on a mini roundabout, if you were taking the second exit straight ahead, by the time you've put that left signal on, the nose of your car is in the exit and the people coming towards you, well, they can't see it because it's on the other side of the car. No point in doing it. So don't worry about it on mini roundabout. But I'm going to reiterate previous video, drive round the mini roundabout. And that's it. So indicate, it's really frustrating. You know, sometimes I look at people looking over there and I'm like, which way are you going? And they're like, oh, I'm going that way. I'm like, So there we go. I'm sure you'll feel my pain, but don't moan at other people if you don't do it yourself. Okay, that's it. Check out the link below. Donate if you feel that these tips have been useful. They're all on our YouTube channel, so just search YouTube for Ultimate Driving. You'll easily find us. There's a playlist with all the videos on. Have a look, and I hope that's helpful. Okay, I shall see you tomorrow.